Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand. Here are some top 10 must-nots when buying a home that you should keep in mind. Not getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Before you start looking for a home, it's important to know how much you can afford to spend. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage will give you a better idea of your budget. Number 2, skipping the home inspection. A home inspection is essential to identify any hidden issues or potential problems with the property. Skipping this can lead to costly repairs down the road, even in new construction homes. Number 3, not considering the neighborhood. It's important to research the neighborhood you're considering to buy in. Look at the crime rates, school districts, property values, and proximities to the amenities. Number 4, overlooking potential renovation costs. If you're considering a fixer-upper, be sure to factor in the cost of the renovations before making an offer. Number 5, not thinking about resale value. While it's important to find a home that you love, it's also important to think about the resale value. Consider factors like location, size, and amenities, and what will be the future for buyers. Number 6, not shopping around for a mortgage and getting the best rate. Be sure to compare rates from multiple lenders to find the best mortgage rate and terms. Number 7, not considering the future. Think about your future plans when buying a home. Will the home be suitable for your needs in 5 or 10 years? Number 8, forgetting about additional expenses. In addition to mortgage payment, there are other expenses associated with owning a home, such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. Be sure to budget for these expenses. Number 9, making an emotional decision. It's easy to fall in love with a home, but it's important to make a rational decision based on your budget, needs, and future plans. Number 10, not working with a professional realtor like myself. A good real estate agent can help you through the home buying process and help you avoid common mistakes. We can also provide valuable insights into the local market area, so give me a call.